In this video, we'll see how to make creamy, delicious Makhni Maggi. We'll first start with the Makhni gravy. So for that, in a pan, take half to 3/4 cup water. To the water, add 1 medium-sized roughly chopped tomato. Now add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and ½ inch ginger, 4 to 5 cashew nuts, 4 dried red chilies. I'm using Pyargi, you can use Kashmiri as well. So these chilies give a very nice red color, but they are not very spicy or hot. Cover the pan and let all this cook at medium flame for 10 minutes. If you see that the water is drying out, you can add a little water. So after 10 minutes of cooking, I'm going to switch off the flame or turn off my induction and let this mixture cool down. And after it cools down, yes, only after it cools down, put it into your mixer grinder jar. Cover it and grind to a smooth paste. In a pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons oil and add this masala mixture or the gravy mixture to the oil. After a minute or so, add ½ teaspoon Kitchen King or Garam Masala, 1/4 teaspoon Chaat Masala, sachet of Maggi Masala which comes with the noodles packet, a little salt because this masala already has salt in it, but the salt is as per basic 1 packet of Maggi. So according to the gravy, you need to add salt, a little water, cover this mixture and at low flame you need to cook till the oil separates from the sides. So our gravy is done. At the end, add 1 tablespoon butter. You can also add 1 teaspoon ghee and just 1 teaspoon kasuri methi. I know this gravy is nice and rich, and another thing which is going to go is cream. I'm using ghar ki malai, which comes on the top layer when you boil and cool the milk. Our delicious creamy makhni gravy is ready, just keeping it aside for a while. In another pan, heat 3/4 cup water and add the Maggi noodle cake. Yes, they call it cake. So add it to it and you need to cook the Maggi till it becomes soft. So do not use a lot of water, just enough to boil the Maggi. I mean boil and cook. So stir this for a minute or 2 at medium flame and then right away serve this Maggi. The gravy is so delicious, and within a few minutes you would notice that the noodles will absorb the gravy and you will have less gravy in this Makhni Maggi, and that is how the gravy and the noodles would look balanced. And this Maggi in combination with our Indian Makhni gravy is just so awesome. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.